Hi, welcome to chapter number 15. Now here we will discuss about how to research your profitable niches on Amazon, okay? And just giving so right now you whatever you will sell online, it's a digital product, right? In affiliate marketing, whether it is digital, when it comes digital, it either it's in text format or it's a video format, correct? So that is the reason we are doing our research in Amazon. And first thing we will do is we will go and see what is selling on Amazon Kindle store, because Kindle is one of the largest bookstores available online, right? And the reason we are looking to Kindle bookstores, as I told you, because it's a digital product. So if you want to find out what's in your niche, what is working best in digital space, you have to come and first check all the books, how it's selling. And Amazon Kindle is one of the best medium to do your research for that. Okay, now in this video we will see two different approaches, or you can find out what is selling more in your niche. So we will take an example of diet and see how you can come up with further niching down. Let's say so you want to work on diet niche, but you want to further niche down at what is working inside diet niche. For that, this is one of the best way to do. Okay, and we will see it live. We will see it in my laptop how it's working. I will show you the exact steps, right? Okay, let's get down to my computer. And what you need to do first is go to the amazon.com. Okay, first approach is a review approach. We will see what people are reviewing, how much review people are giving, right? And if any particular product is having more reviews, that means more people are buying it, right? So let's get in and see that. So for that, go to amazon.com, place on this button. Okay, then you go to the Kindle e-readers and books. See, these things might would have changed when you're watching the video, but the end objective is to get the Kindle e-books, okay, segment. So we'll go here. After that, we'll get Kindle books. Once we click there, all the Kindle ebooks will come over in this place. Now if you see in the left handed side corner, you'll see all the high level niches are already given: romance, religion, spirituality, science, parenting, mystery, literature, humor, history, cooking, food, wine, computers, internet. All these things are given here. Now if you want to further niche down, you can get inside this travel and further niche down and see. You can take references, for example. But our question is, we want to get into health and nutrition, but somehow it has changed to advice and how to. That's why I'll just click here. Earlier there was a separate segment here. Now you see we reached health, fitness and diet in Kindle bookstores, right? So you will see further different niches inside this. Now we want to see diet and weight loss, so we'll go to diet and weight loss. We'll click here. See, if you want to further niche down, there is diets, there is food counters, there is special conditions. You can do that also. You can click on diets, and you will see there are different dietary styles. One is Atkins, blood type diets, gluten free, healthy, ketogenic, low carb. Whatever you want, you can pick it up from here. But our objective is we want to see from reviews which one is working. So we clicked on diets. Now we will come here and we will click on average customer reviews. And once we do that, come boom, your list is ready, which is working. You see keto is working, coconut is the top, vegetarian, again we saw keto, again we saw keto, again keto, again keto. So something is really cool. You can see a trend here. Keto is working. Lot of people are buying ketogenic diet, right, related to keto, sugar fast, keto, right? So that's how you can go to the top 10 segment and see what is working and what you should choose. Now here we saw paleo came up. Keto is repeating, like almost every time, correct? So if you build a list around ketogenic diet, then definitely you'll be profitable, guys. Paleo has repeated many times here. We have seen it many times. Okay, authentic health. Guys, you need to check this out. You need to see the reviews. See, people will not put reviews just like that. Out of 100 customer, maybe one customer will put a review, right? So if there is reviews, that means you can multiply this by almost 10 or next another 100 and see this much people are buying. That means they are interested in all this stuff. Okay, so that is one way, guys. You can just go and see your customer reviews and you see what is working, what kind of paleo has come many times, keto has come many times. So that is one way of checking how, based on reviews, how much, what niche, further niche you should niche down. Okay. Another one is you have to see what are the bestseller Kindle bestsellers. So you just go to here, Google search bar, just type Amazon Kindle bestsellers. After that, maybe on first or second link you'll get it. This is the first one. I'll click on the first link and boom, I got all the top Amazon bestsellers. But my objective is in diet program. I am to diet, so I'll put on cookbooks, food and wine. And here I'll see diet. Let me just quickly research where I can see some diet. Okay, here you have special diets, your other things inside cookbook. So let me just click on, let's say, special diet. Let's say. Okay, once you do, you will also see further niche down you can do here. But now in the bestseller, that means these guys are bestsellers. They are currently trending, right? So here also you see you will find ketogenic diet in the top. Again, you will see, let's see what else. Mediterranean is also here. Plant strong, inflammatory diet, organic baby food in the top seller. You can check that out. You can also, Mediterranean has repeated many times. Instant pot, again this is another way, another one. Paleo, right? So you need to understand what I'm doing right now, right? This is how you'll research. If one thing is appearing many times, that means it's working. A lot of people are creating this kind of digital products, right? You'll have a lot of different things to sell. That is also one big thing, right? So here also we saw paleo is one big thing. Then your pot is in the top sellers, and all these things are on the best seller, guys. So if you can choose any niche, any sub niche out of which, that means, and start creating your own list, then definitely you will be profitable. See the number of reviews, man. 1376 for new Assyrian bread, something related to this is very very specific. And 1376 means a lot of people have bought it, because out of 100 one will put a review. So if you create similarly diet, cookbook, meal plan, so you got the idea, right? This is how you will do a research and see which one is currently trending in your marketplace, in your niche. And if you want to further niche down, gluten free, and you also see what is working on, what is not working, right? You can do that also. You can further niche down in this particular segments, right? So guys, that is it. In this video we saw how you can actually take Amazon Kindle store and do your research. You can see Amazon will help you in multiple different ways. First is you find out your niche. Second, you will find out which sub niche is actually working in your segment. That also you can find in two different ways. One is bestsellers and another one is through reviews. You can check how things are working, right? And there are other lot of benefits, like it can help you create your own content. It can also help you find out the pain points of what your customer is are currently going through, and how how these products are solving their pain points. A lot of different stuffs are there which is coming in our future videos, but for this video, the particular I wanted to show you how you can take Amazon Kindle store and start researching about your niche and your sub niches. You'll get a lot of sub niches idea in this segment, and you'll see which one is currently trending, and based on that you can start picking. You don't need to think which is what this will work or not. Just come here, do your research, and you will see what is working, and based on that you can pick your sub niche. Okay, and start creating your lead generation page for that particular specific sub niche, and I'm sure you'll be very much profitable. And guys, if and I'm telling one more thing I want to tell. When you start doing research, maybe in the first day you might not get much ideas, but once you do it for 2 to 3 days, if you start practicing it, you'll see a lot of different ideas will come up, and you can note that down, because that is going to help you in this affiliate marketing world. When you start working on the real scenario, these things will help you. So make sure you note it down, start reviewing, and start figuring out your own niche and sub niches that you want to start working on. Okay, this is one of the coolest way to research about digital products. Okay, so that is what this chapter is all about. In next chapter I will just quickly give you some another insights, what are the places you can go and check your sub niches, and that can give you a lot of different ideas as well. Okay guys, that's it. We are closing this chapter with that, and don't forget to do a research, guys. Start taking notes and apply these tactics in your real scenarios. Okay, start doing research, start finding out your sub segments in your sub niches. And yeah, with that I'm closing this video. I'll see you in the next chapter. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep smiling. Bye bye.